Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today we're diving into home maintenance, the key to saving thousands on repairs and keeping your home in tip-top shape. Whether you're a brand new homeowner or a seasoned pro, I've got expert tips to help you revamp your routine. Stick around until the end for bonus money-saving advice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Maintaining your home isn't just about keeping it looking good. It's about preventing costly repairs that can really put a dent in your wallet. A little TLC now can save you a whole heap of trouble and money down the road. So, are you ready to dive in and learn how to keep your home in tip-top shape? Let's break it down, step by step. Let's get organized. A structured checklist is your best friend when it comes to home maintenance. Break down your checklist into manageable sections: monthly, quarterly, and annual tasks. Monthly tasks might include testing smoke detectors and checking for leaks. Quarterly tasks could involve inspecting your fire extinguisher and cleaning gutters. Annual tasks? That's when we tackle the big stuff, like getting your HVAC system serviced and inspecting your roof. Who doesn't love a little help around the house? Smart home devices can make maintaining your home easier than ever. Get reminders on your phone for air filter replacements, install leak detectors, and use a smart thermostat to save on energy bills. My personal favorites: smart thermostats and leak detection sensors, they're lifesavers. Just like we adjust our wardrobes with the changing seasons, our homes need a little seasonal love too. In spring and summer, give your roof and gutters a good once-over and service your air conditioner. As the weather cools down, prepare for the colder months. Clean your chimney, drain outdoor hoses, and check for drafts. Get your heating system serviced to ensure it's ready for winter. A little seasonal maintenance goes a long way in preventing problems down the road. Even the most experienced homeowners make mistakes. Let's talk about some common home maintenance mistakes to avoid. First up, ignoring minor leaks. Those little drips can quickly turn into major water damage if left unchecked. Another mistake? Skipping HVAC maintenance. Regular checkups extend the life of your system and save you money on energy bills. And don't delay roof inspections. Small issues can escalate into major leaks if left unaddressed. Learn from these mistakes to stay ahead of the game. Don't ignore leaks, maintain your HVAC, and keep your roof in good shape. I'm all for DIY projects, but some jobs are best left to the pros. Electrical work, major plumbing repairs, HVAC service, and roof replacements should be handled by experts. Safety first. Electrical and plumbing work can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Don't be afraid to call in the cavalry when needed. A qualified professional will get the job done safely and efficiently. Let's talk about staying organized and budget-savvy with home maintenance. Keep a home maintenance journal. Jot down the date and details of any maintenance tasks and repairs. This helps you keep track of when things were last done and is super helpful if you ever decide to sell your home. Budget wisely. Set aside 1 to 3% of your home's value annually for maintenance expenses. By budgeting for home maintenance, you'll avoid unpleasant financial surprises and ensure you have funds available for unexpected repairs. That's it for today's video. By following these expert tips, you can keep your home in top shape, save money, and avoid major headaches. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found these tips helpful. See you in the next video.